Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G30 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Then choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Wait for available ones to show up and tap on the one that you want to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, tap on the gear icon next to the device and choose Forget. Then forget device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!